हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनटी अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 95 के क्वेश्चन और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो का आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहां से क्लिक करके आप डिटेल वीडियो ऑफ फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो देख सकते हैं। एनडीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं। उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, यहाँ पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे हम बायो से, देना है केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे। अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो वीडियो और एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करके VLC मीडिया प्लेयर से चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में HD क्वालिटी में चलेगा। उसका भी लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर इंक्लूडेड अंडर क्राइजोफाइट्स? आंसर विल बी ए डाइटम्स एंड डेसमिड्स गोल्डन एल्गी। क्राइजो मतलब होता ही है, क्राइजो मीन्स गोल्ड और फाइट्स मीन्स प्लांट्स। क्राइजोफाइट्स आर also known as the golden algae due to the presence of yellow and brown carotene and xanthophyll accessory pigment. They are facultatively heterotrophic in the absence of light. They are unicellular and biflagellated. Pollination between flowers born on two different plants on the same species refers to. Answer will be B. Genogamy. Pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of the female reproductive organ. If the transfer is to a different flower of different plant, then it is considered to be cross pollination. It is also called genogamy. If the pollen transfer of pollen grain is between the neighboring flowers of same plant, then it is called geitonogamy. Self pollination and fertilization occurring in a closed flower is termed cleistogamy. Hercogamy is a technique to ensure क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन यूजिंग मैकेनिकल बैरियर। रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन था। द इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ फ्लावर कलर इन एंटीराइनम डॉग फ्लावर इन इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ। आंसर विल बी ए इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज correct for epithelial tissue? Answer will be C. The cell are the cells are compactly packed with little or no intercellular matrix. Epithelial tissue are the major tissue in glands and form the outer covering or layers of all body surfaces and organs. It consists of closely aggregated cells that adhere firmly to each other and forming either single or multiple layers. Due to the cells being tightly packed, there is the very little intercellular matrix. The intercellular matrix consists of protein and is on the cell membrane of epithelial cells. In spermatogenesis, reduction division of chromosome occurs during the conversion of. Answer will be A. Primary spermatocytes to secondary spermatocyte. The germ cells in the seminiferous tubules giving rise to the haploid spermatozoa are known as spermatogenesis. The three stages involved in the process are mitosis, meiosis, and spermiogenesis. The first step begins when the stem cells starts multiplying and produce duplicate cells, spermatogonia. When these cells mature, they are known as primary spermatocytes, which undergo meiotic one cell division to form secondary spermatocytes. The following diagram is what a nurse saw on patient's ECG trace, which measures the electrical impulse passed by the heart in one heartbeat. The first arrow on the left signifies the beginning of the beat, and the second arrow on the right signifies the end of the beat. How many beats per minute did the nurse find in this patient? Answer will be B 75. The given ECG represents a normal P wave followed by the equivalence complex and then the T waves. ECG is the representation of the electrical activity of the heartbeats. The normal reading of the heartbeat is 72 per minute, the range varying from 60 to 90 beats per minute. In the given ECG, we see no abnormality and it represents the normal activity of the heart. Therefore, the most suitable reading it will show is 75 beats per minute. Hemojuine is a toxic substance released upon which of the following events? Answer will be C. Rupture of RBCs. The Plasmodium species during malarial formation metabolize hemoglobin and other RBC proteins to create a toxic pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a waste product formed when the parasite digests the blood. The parasite digests the hemoglobin of the blood and release high quantities of free heme. This heme released is a non-protein component of hemoglobin. The heme is therefore a product of the erythrocyte lysis released from the food vacuole into circulation, which is not correctly matched. आंसर विल बी ए एनिलिडा एंट्रोसिलोमेट, ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट है। बाकी बी सी और डी जो है वो करेक्ट है। प्लेटिहेलमिंथिस एसिलोमेट, अर्थोपोडा साइजोसिलोमेट और निमेटी हेलमिंथिस सीडोसिलोमेट। एनिलिडा possesses two coelom. Their coelom is siloic in origin, that is, it is formed by the splitting of embryonic mesoderm. Thus, they can also be called schizosylomata. Phylum Ganodermata and Chordata have enterocoelom, where the coelom is formed by the splitting of endoderm. Select the answer with the correct matching of the structure, its location and function. Answer will be C. Hypothalamus. इसका लोकेशन है forebrain और function controls body temperature, urge for eating and drinking. The statuine tube is a canal that is located in the parapharyngeal space, front wall of the middle ear, and ventilates the middle ear. The cerebellum is a structure of the hindbrain and controls voluntary movements, balance, and coordination. The hypothalamus is a part of the forebrain and responsible for controlling the body temperature and releasing hormones. A blind spot is a tiny pinhead size of an area where the optic nerve passes through the surface of the retina, which is devoid of the photoreceptors, and therefore no image is detected in this area. Addition of iodine in the diet is necessary for treating. Answer will be B, to treat hypothyroidism. The thyroid hormone is responsible for metabolism and metamorphosis. Iodine is an element of the thyroid hormone, the deficiency of which leads to hypothyroidism. This happens because iodine is needed for the production of the hormone thyroxine. Hypothyroidism during pregnancy causes defective development and maturation of growing baby, leading to stunted growth, cretinism, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, abnormal skin, deaf mutism, etc. In adult women, hypothyroidism may cause menstrual cycle to become irregular. यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल करके रीड कर लेंगे। और ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, इस टाइप का सिमिलर क्वेश्चन पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में आ चुका है। तो यहाँ होगा देयर आर मोर देन 20,000 बीटल्स स्पीसीज ऑफ एंड्स। एक मिनट फिर से करते हैं, सॉरी। देखते हैं, देयर आर मोर देन 20,000 स्पीसीज ऑफ एंड्स, 3 लाख स्पीसीज ऑफ beetles, 28,000 species of fishes and nearly 20,000 species of orchids। यहाँ orchids और ants का जो species है दोनों सेम नंबर है। ओके, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन पहले आ चुका है। ओके, उसमें मैच द कॉलम टाइप का था क्वेश्चन उसमें। कॉपर रिलीजिंग IUDs, आंसर विल बी डी, मल्टी रोड 375। रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन ये भी है। फाइंड द रॉन्ग मैच। इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ अक्वायर्ड कैरेक्टर, लैमार्क बिल्कुल सही। नेचुरल सेलेक्शन, डार्विन। बायोजेनेटिक लॉ, एर्नस्ट हकेल बिल्कुल सही है। साल्टेशन, थॉमस आर माल्थस, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। साल्टेशन जो है वो ह्यूगो डिवेरिस ने दिया था। द थ्योरी ऑफ साल्टेशन वाज टर्म कॉइन्ड बाय ह्यूगो डिवेरिस। The traditional inclusion and multiplication of genes along with the desired genes involves. Answer will be A. The hybridization procedures in plant and animal breeding. Which of the following statements about the process of digestion is correct? फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इन द काइम आर हाइड्रोलाइज्ड बाय पैनक्रियाटिक एमाइलेज इनटू मोनोसैकेराइड्स डायरेक्टली, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। सेकंड यहाँ पे कह रहा है न्यूक्लियस इन द इंटेस्टाइनल जूस एक्ट्स ऑन न्यूक्लिक एसिड टू फॉर्म न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स एंड न्यूक्लियोसाइड्स। तो यह भी हमारा जो है वो रॉन्ग होगा। बोथ स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर रॉन्ग। आंसर विल बी बी। Carbohydrates in the chyme are hydrolyzed to disaccharides by the pancreatic amylase. The starch is converted into isomaltose, maltose, and dextrins. The intestinal juice converts the disaccharide to monosaccharides. The nucleic acids are broken down to form nucleotides by the nucleases present in the pancreatic juice. These nucleotides are further reduced to form nucleosides by the intestinal juice with the enzyme nucleosidase and nucleotidase. Which of the following statements about the glomerular filtration is correct? फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है द हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर ऑफ ब्लड इन ग्लोमेरुलर कैपिलरीज ऑलोज फिल्ट्रेशन। ओके, तो ये हमारा करेक्ट होगा। सेकेंड यहाँ पे कह रहा है द डायमीटर ऑफ इफेंट आर्ट्रियोल इज लेसर दैन द डायमीटर ऑफ एफरेंट एट्रियोल। तो ये भी हमारा बिल्कुल सही है। थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है द फ्लूइड कलेक्टेड इन द यूरिनरी स्पेस कंटेन्स ऑल कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ ब्लड एक्सेप्ट आरबीसीज। ओके, ये जो हमारा वो गलत होगा। फोर यहाँ पे कह रहा है द नेट फिल्ट्रेशन प्रेशर एट द ग्लोमेरुलस इज अराउंड 40 mmHg। तो ये भी हमारा जो गलत होगा। ओके, glomerular filtration is the renal process in which the fluid in the blood is filtered into the Bowman's capsule across the glomerular capillaries. This filtration occurs due to the force of the difference between hydrostatic and osmotic pressure. Afferent and efferent arterioles transport blood in and out of the glomerulus. The afferent arteriole, which brings in the blood, is large in diameter, which helps in increased blood pressure in the glomerulus. Hence, statement 1 and 2 are correct. It is said that the elemental composition of living organisms and that of inanimate objects like earth crust are similar in the sense that all the major elements are present in both. Then what would be the difference between these two groups? Choose the correct answer from the following. Answer will be D. Living organisms have more carbon, oxygen and hydrogen per unit mass than inanimate objects. Mark the correct option stating the locations of the following centers. Answer will be A. Pneumotaxic centers, Pons, एपन्यूस्टिक सेंटर, ये भी पोन्स में होते हैं, और डॉर्सल रेस्पिरेटरी ग्रुप मेडुला में और वेंट्रल रेस्पिरेटरी ग्रुप मेडुला में होते हैं। ओके, ओजोन डे इज, ये भी हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, नीट में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। आंसर होगा बी। 16 सितंबर को ओजोन डे मनाया जाता है। इसको याद करना बहुत आसान है। ओजोन जो है ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक मास होता है 16। ओके, तो आप 16 सितंबर ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं। asexual reproduction is related to, answer will be D, both B and C, यानी budding और vegetative propagation। opening or blooming of the flower is known as, answer will be A, anthesis। in Mendelian dihybrid cross when a heterozygous pea plant, इस क्वेश्चन को फिर से देखते हैं। इन मेंडेलियन डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस व्हेन अ heterozygous pea plant with round yellow seeds is selfed, offspring with round green seeds are produced. They are represented by the genotypes. Answer will be D, capital R, a small r, small y, or capital R, a small y, a small y। Okay, आइडेंटिफाई ए बी एंड सी स्ट्रैंड्स। आंसर विल बी बी। ए यहाँ पे लीडिंग स्ट्रैंड है, बी लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड, सी पेरेंटल स्ट्रैंड। pollen grains of a plant 2n equal to 28 are cultured to get callus by tissue culture. What would be the number of chromosomes in the cells of callus? Answer will be D, 14। Which of the following is not used as a biopesticide? Answer will be B, Xanthomonas। Chemicals or toxins of biological origin used as pesticides are called biopesticides. Bacillus thuringiensis produce Bt toxin that interrupts the digestive process in the gut of the insect to kill them. Nuclear polyhedroviruses (NPV) baculovirus is used as insecticides for crops as it affects the pest insect group like moths and butterflies. Xanthomonas campestris is a plant pathogen of bacterial origin. Nosema is a fungal biopesticide utilized in curbing insect pest group like grasshoppers, caterpillars, variety of corn borers. Amencillism is an association between two species where one species is harmed and other is unaffected. Select the correct statement. Answer will be D. Serial community is a transitional community which develops in an area during succession. यहाँ fill in the blanks तो fill read कर लेंगे. Tropical rain forests once covered more than 14% of the earth's surface, now covers not more than 6%. Answer will be C. The region near the middle of the earth between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is considered as the tropic region. This region receives the most amount of solar energy, which leads to better productivity and higher species diversity. Also, the seasonal variation in such regions are low and environment mainly remains the same, supporting high species richness and promoting niche specialization. Tropical rainforests used to cover more than 14% of the earth's surface. Now, due to human activities leading to destruction of habitat and pushing many species to the brink of extinction, has tropical rainforest cover no more than 6%. From the given list, how many are unpaired structure of cockroach? Okay, यहाँ पे टर्गाइड्स है, लेबियम, हैबोफैरिंक्स, टेगमिना, जेनाइटल पाउच, लैब्रम और मैंडिबल. तो इसमें से जो टेगमिना है और मैंडिबल है ये दोनों पेयर्ड हैं, बाकी सारे अनपेयर्ड होते हैं, यानी टर्जाइड्स, लेबियम, हैबोफैरिंक्स और जेनाइटल जेनाइटल पाउच और लैब्रम ये सारे जो हैं अनपेयर्ड हैं. तो टोटल यहाँ पे 5 हो जाएंगे. Okay, the answer will be C, 5. The cockroach has a segmented body and is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. There is a pair of antennae arising from the sockets in front of the eyes. The labrum and the labium are the upper and lower lip with a hypopharynx, which is the tongue. The tergites are the hardened dorsal plates of the exoskeleton, and the genital pouch is a part of the female cockroach found by the 8th and 9th sterna. Therefore, the cockroaches have only two paired structures, which are its forewings, stegmina, and the mandibles. Release of the second polar body from human egg occurs. Answer will be A, after the entry of a sperm. Which of the following types of antibodies are produced in a person who is hypersensitive to peanuts? Answer will be uh, B, IgE. जो IgE है वो एलर्जी के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. Which of the following is a matching pair of a body feature and the animal possessing it? Answer will be D, ventral central nervous system leech. The ventral nerve cord is found in insects and is functionally equivalent to the vertebrate spinal cord. This kind of nervous system is found in leeches and some of the annelids and arthropods. The scorpion possesses a dorsal heart. Post-anal tail is usually seen in cobras belonging to the phylum Chordata. Pharyngeal gill slits are found in the embryo of all vertebrates due to their common ancestors, the fish, who were the first one to have these structures. Choose the correct statement about the transmission of impulses. Answer will be B. The synaptic vessels fuse with the plasma membrane and release their neurotransmitters in the synaptic cleft. The adrenal cortical hormone that reduces inflammation and suppress the immune response is? Answer will be A. Cortisol. Find the correct order of arrangement of ear ossicles from the side of tympanum towards the oval window. Answer will be C. Malleus, then incus, then stapes. Miss. The three-eared ossicles are found in the middle ear and are said to be the smallest bones in the human body. They serve the purpose of transmitting sound from the ear to the cochlea. The vibrations received by the tympanic membrane travel through the ear ossicles, malleus, incus, and stapes, and then reach the cochlea via the oval window, opening from the middle ear to the cochlea into the internal ear. Which of the following STDs cannot be treated with antibiotics? आंसर will be A. 4 only, यानी जेनेटल हर्ब्स जो है वो ट्रीट नहीं किया जा सकता है एंटीबायोटिक से. Sexually transmitted disease or infections caused by bacteria can be treated, while viral infections can just be managed and not cured. A single dose of antibiotic can cure STDs like gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia. However, diseases such as genital herpes or HIV can be managed only with antiviral drugs. These drugs cannot cure the infection but only limit the length and severity of outbreaks. Further, it can reduce the likelihood of transmission of the disease. At a particular locus, the frequency of A allele is 0.6 and that of a small a 0.4. What would be the frequency of heterozygous in a randomly mating population of equilibrium? Answer will be C. 0.48. The restriction endonuclease of a cell does not cleave its own DNA because of. Answer will be B. Methylation of A or C at the recognition site. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Answer will be D. बर्ड्स एंड रेप्टाइल्स जो होते हैं इरिकोटेलिक होते हैं, यहाँ पे इरियोटेलिक दिया हुआ इसलिए गलत होगा. बाकी ए बी और सी जो स्टेटमेंट है बिल्कुल सही है. बर्ड्स एंड लैंड स्नेल्स आर इरिकोटेलिक एनिमल्स. मैमल्स एंड फ्रॉक्स आर इरियोटेलिक एनिमल्स. और aquatic amphibians and crustaceans are monotelic animals. Which statements about carbohydrates are correct? First, inulin is a polymer of sucrose. Second, glucose is a respiratory substrate and is also called fruit sugar. Third, यहाँ पे है starch forms helical secondary structures in which it can hold I2 molecules. और 4 यहाँ पे है the variant of cellulose in animals is glycogen. ओके, तो यहाँ पे थर्ड और फोर्थ जो स्टेटमेंट है वो हमारा करेक्ट है और फर्स्ट और सेकंड जो है वो हमारा इनकरेक्ट होगा. इनुलिन जो है वो फ्रक्टोज का पॉलीमर होता है. ग्लूकोज इज ए रेस्पिरेटरी सबस्ट्रेट एंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड फ्रूट शुगर. तो फ्रक्टोज को फ्रूट शुगर बोलते हैं. ओके, आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. गैस एक्सचेंज एट द रिस्पिरेटरी मेम्ब्रेन इज इफिशिएंट बिकॉज. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है the difference in partial pressure are substantial. Okay, second यहाँ पे the gases are lipid soluble. Third, blood flow is very rapid. The distance is minimized by having only one cell layer. और फिफ्थ यहाँ पे है the total surface area is large. तो यहाँ पे कह रहा है इफिशियंट बिकॉज. आंसर हमारा होगा सी. 1, 2 और जो 5 है वो हमारा इसका रीजन है. यानी द डिफरेंस इन पार्शियल प्रेशर आर सब्सटेंशियल. सेकेंड, द गैसेज आर लिपिड सोलूबल. और फिफ्थ है द टोटल surface area is large. When oxygen is transported to the blood and carbon dioxide is removed from the blood, it is known as gas exchange. This exchange of gases takes place across the respiratory membrane, which is thin with a high surface area having a single cell layer. The efficiency is also due to the lipid solubility of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Their partial pressure differences which make the exchange of gases possible. यहाँ फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल कर रीड कर लेंगे. एट रेस्ट अ वेल ट्रेंड एथलीट विल हैव अ हार्ट रेट लोअर देन अ नॉर्मल पर्सन. Oxygen inhibits the growth of. Answer will be B. Lateral axillary buds. Systematics involves, answer will be D, all of these, yani identification of organisms, nomenclature of organisms, or relationships and classification of organisms. The study of the historical relationship of groups of biological organisms is called systematics, or it is a branch of science that deals with classification or nomenclature. It is a Latin word in which organisms are arranged in a systematic manner. It deals with the population, species, and higher taxa. So the correct answer is D. यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे. द किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा फॉर्म्स अ लिंक विद द किंगडम. आंसर होगा यहाँ पे ऑल ऑफ दीज, यानी प्लांटी, फंजाई और एनिमल, सारों को लिंक करता है. रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है ये. रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड फाइंड आउट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट में यहाँ पे सी होगा. न्यूमेरिकल टैक्सोनॉमी इज बेस्ड ऑन क्रोमोजोम नंबर, स्ट्रक्चर एंड बिहेवियर. ओके, ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट है. बाकी ए, बी और डी हमारा बिल्कुल सही है. द अल्टर्ड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द प्लांट किंगडम डिस्क्राइब्स दैट फंजाई एंड member of the monera and protista having cell walls have now been excluded from plantae. Cyanobacteria that are also referred to as blue-green algae are not algae anymore, or chemotaxonomy that uses the chemical constituents of the plant to resolve confusions are also used by taxonomists these days. Choose the incorrect match. Okay, तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट मैच होगा ए, टोनोप्लास्ट स्टार्च. बाकी ये बी, सी, डी जो है बिल्कुल करेक्ट मैच है. एलियोप्लास्ट प्रोटीन, एलियोप्लास्ट आयल्स और क्रोमोप्लास्ट जैंथोफिल. The chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and carotenoid pigments which are responsible for trapping light energy essential for photosynthesis. In the chromoplast, fat-soluble carotenoid pigments like carotene, xanthophylls, and others are present. This gives the part of the plant a yellow, orange, or red color. The leucoplasts are the colorless plastids of varied shapes and sizes with stored nutrients. Myeloplasts store carbohydrates, starch, example potato. Helioplasts store ions and fats, whereas the aleuroplasts store proteins. Which statements, क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 यहाँ पे है. Which statement is incorrect for post mitotic gap phase of interphase. आंसर यहाँ पे बी होगा इनकरेक्ट, यानी कि it involves replication of DNA, RNA and proteins. बाकी ए, सी और डी जो है वो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. In this phase, cell is metabolically active and grows continuously. Cell organelles increase in number, or the cell has an option to stop cell cycle and undergoes differentiation. Drupes develop from, answer will be A, monocarpellary superior ovaries. In mango and coconut, the fruit is known as drupe. They develop from monocarpellary superior ovaries and are one-seeded. In mango, the pericarp is well differentiated into an outer thin epicarp, a middle fleshy edible mesocarp, and an inner stony hard endocarp. In coconut, which is also a drupe, the mesocarp is fibrous. यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल करके यहाँ पे रीड कर लेते हैं. वैस्कुलर कैम्बियम एंड कॉर्क कैम्बियम आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ. आंसर विल बी बी, लेटरल मेरिस्टेम. ये जो था हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 यहाँ पे है. व्हाट विल बी जीरो इन अ फुल्ली टर्जिड सेल्स. आंसर विल बी सी, डीपीडी, यानी डिफ्यूजन प्रेशर डेफिशिएंट. Identify the free-living anaerobic nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Answer will be D, Rhodospirillum. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria are mostly prokaryote. They are capable of transferring atmospheric nitrogen gas to nitrogen-fixed compounds like ammonia. They are of two types, that is free-living bacteria that are also known as non-symbiotic bacteria. Example, cyanobacteria, Clostridium, Rhodospirillum, etc. But Rhodospirillum is facultative anaerobic bacteria, while the second bacteria is known as symbiotic bacteria that shows symbiosis. Example, Rhizobium, etc. So the correct answer is D. यहाँ पे फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे. ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस लाइट सैचुरेशन इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एट 10% of full sunlight. There is a linear relationship between incident light and CO2 fixation rates at low light intensities. At higher light intensities, gradually the rate does not show further increase as other factors become limiting. Light saturation occurs at 10% of the full sunlight, hence except for plants in shade or in dense forests, light is rarely a limiting factor in nature. Increase in incident light beyond a point causes the breakdown of chlorophyll and a decrease in photosynthesis. In ETS, the last electron acceptor is, answer will be C. Oxygen is last electron acceptor. NADH and FADH2 brings electron to the ETS. As the electrons move down the system, energy is released and used to form ATP. For every pair of electrons that enters by way of NADH, 3 ATP result. For every pair of electrons that enters by way of FADH2, 2 ATP result. Oxygen, the final acceptor of the electron, becomes a part of water. If alluron layer contains 12 chromosomes, the ovary wall will contain. Answer will be D8. Double fertilization is a unique characteristic observed in the angiosperm group of plants. In this, two fertilizations are observed. First, between the female and male gametic cells forming zygote, and second is between the second male gamete and polar nuclei forming the primary endosperm nucleus. In it, a 2N zygote forms in first fertilization and a 3N primary endosperm nucleus forms in second fertilization, which results in formation of alluron layer in monocotyledons. Alluron layer has 14 has 12 chromosomes and is 3N. N is 4 chromosomes. Ovary of the plant is diploid, that is 2N, thus it will have 8 chromosomes. Which of the following is mismatched pair of disease and its related symptom? Answer will be A. Disease phenylketonuria. Symptom: urine turns black on exposure to air. The basis for DNA fingerprinting is, answer will be A. Occurrence of polymorphism. What gases are produced in anaerobic sludge digesters? Answer will be C. Methane, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. ये क्वेश्चन जो है नीट में आ चुका है. The change in population size at given time interval t is given by the expression nt equal to n naught plus b plus I minus d minus e. I, b and d stands respectively for. तो यहाँ पे I जो है रेट ऑफ इमिग्रेशन, b नेटेलिटी रेट और d मोर्टेलिटी रेट. ओके. Which of the following occurs at the same tropic level? Answer will be A. Deer and B. In a comparative analogy between the aeroplane and ecosystem, the Rivet-Popper hypothesis used by Paul Ehrlich find out the correct matching. Okay. तो यहाँ पे रिवेट से एरोप्लेन पॉपिंग और रिवेट्स ऑन विंग्स और फ्लाइट सेफ्टी के बारे में बताया गया है. तो एक का यहाँ पे रिवेट्स का होगा 2, यानी रिवेट जो है वो स्पीसीज को डिनोट करते हैं. एरोप्लेन जो है हमारा वो इकोसिस्टम को डिनोट कर रहा है. सी यहाँ पॉपिंग और रिवेट का है 5, यानी स्पीसीज बिकम एक्सटिंक्ट. और डी का 3, यानी रिवेट्स ऑन द विंग्स जो है वो की स्पीसीज के बाद को डिनोट करता है. और लास्ट में फ्लाइट सेफ्टी जो है वो 4 को डिनोट करता है, यानी प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ इकोसिस्टम को. The proportion of the offspring obtained from the cross, capital double A, capital double B, a capital double C crossed with a capital A, small b or capital C, a small c, will be completely heterozygous for all genes segregated independently will be. Answer will be A, 1 by 8. Which of the following statement is not incorrect? Okay, यानी कौन सा हमारा जो है स्टेटमेंट सही है, नॉट इनकरेक्ट. तो आंसर हमारा सी होगा. यूरो थर्ड नॉर्म्स फॉर एग्जांपल stipulate that sulfur be controlled at 350 parts per million ppm in diesel and 150 ppm in petrol. The difference between lectin and lecithin is, answer will be A. Lectin is a secondary metabolite while leci, lectin is a secondary metabolite while lecithin is a phospholipid. The main differentiating factor between lectin and lecithin is that lectin is a secondary metabolite. Concanevaline A is a plant protein which binds with carbohydrate, whereas lecithin is a fatty substance with which is found in plant and animal tissue. Lectin, due to its ability to bind with carbohydrate, reduces nutrient absorption. Lecithin itself is an essential fatty nutrient, a major component of phospho, uh, phosphatidylcholine, with the ability to lower the bad cholesterol in the body. Which of the following is correct about the blastocyst? Answer will be B. Consists of outer trophoblast and inner embryoblast. The blastocyst is a hollow structure that contains a cluster of cells from which embryo arises. Uh, the outer layer provides placenta and other essential tissues for fetal development, while the inner cells give rise to the tissues of the body. This outer layer is known as trophoblast, which provides nutrients to the embryo. Erythroblast is cells which are situated within the trophoblast and result in the production of an embryo. Interferon can be used in the treatment of, answer will be B, cancer. In a diabetic patient, glucose appears in the urine. Which of the following statements is the best explanation for this phenomenon? Answer will be C. The high concentration of glucose saturates the reabsorption pumps, causing glucose to appear in the urine. Diabetes mellitus is a condition wherein there is an excess of glucose produced in the body due to ineffective functioning of the pancreas. The diabetic patients often have glycosuria, glucose in the urine, due to the malfunctioning of the renal tubules to reabsorb all the filtered glucose back into the blood. Find the correct chronological order of appearance of angiosperms. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे सबसे पहले फर्स्ट होगा यानी क्लोरोफाइट एंसेस्टर्स, देन सेकंड यानी ट्रैक्योफाइट एंसेस्टर, देन फोर यानी राइनिया टाइप प्लांट, उसके बाद थर्ड सिलोफाइटोन, देन सिक्स यानी प्रोजिम्नोस्पर्म्स, देन यहाँ पे लास्ट में आएंगे फिफ्थ यानी सीड फॉर्म्स. The chlorophyte ancestors are the green algae which have given rise to all the green plants. The tracheophytes have originated from the green algae, followed by the Rhynia type plants, which are a genus of Devonian vascular plants with the subdivision of Xylophyton. The progymnosperms are found to form a link between the Xylophytons and the gymnosperms. The pteridospermato Spermatopsida or the seed ferns belong to a group of extinct seed-bearing plants. In the electrophoresis, the DNA sample is loaded in the gel. Answer will be C. यहाँ पे जो DNA सैंपल होंगे वो टुवार्ड्स द नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड होंगे. ओके. विच वन ऑफ फॉलोइंग इज एन इनकरेक्ट पेयर. तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट यहाँ पे ये है, लुइस पास्चर क्वाइंड द टर्म वायरस, ये हमारा गलत होगा. और बी सी डी जो है बिल्कुल सही है. वेजरिंग कॉन्टेजियम वाइवम फ्लूडम उन्होंने टर्म दिया था. इवानोवास्की स्टडी मोजैक डिजीज ऑफ टोबैको, और स्टैनले जो है वो क्रिस्टलाइज किए थे टीएमवी को. द नेम वायरस दैट मीन्स वेनम और पॉइजनस फ्लूड बाय गिवन बाय डिमिट्री इवानोस्की रिकॉग्नाइज्ड 90 Ivanovsky in 1892 recognized certain microbes as casual organism of the mosaic disease of tobacco. These were found to be smaller than bacteria because they passed through bacteria-proof filters. AMW rank demonstrated in 1898 that the extract of the infected plants of tobacco could cause infection in healthy plants and call the fluid as Contagium vivum fluidum infectious living fluid. W.M. Stanley 1935 showed that viruses could be crystallized and crystals consists largely of proteins. यहाँ मैच द कॉलम है तो यहाँ पे सेलेजिनेला इक्विसेटम एडवेंटम और ड्रैप्टेरिस को यहाँ पे मैच करना है। ये क्वेश्चन जो है हमारा रिपीट कर चुका है। यहाँ पे जो है फोर्थ नंबर जो है आंसर है यहाँ डी होगा। फोर का सी यानी कि टेरोप्सीडा में आते हैं एडियंटम। सेकेंड का ए यानी लाइकोप्सीडा में होंगे सेलाजिनेला। थर्ड का बी यानी स्फेनोप्सीडा में होंगे इक्विसेटम। और लास्ट फोर का डी होंगे यानी कि टेरोप्सीडा में ही आते हैं ड्रैप्टेरिस। ओके, ये भी एक तरह का यूनिक ऑप्शन और क्वेश्चन है। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट पेयरिंग, तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट पेयरिंग होगा डी। ईआर जो है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन। Amyloplasts is the site of storage of carbohydrates. The centrosome is responsible for the organization and nucleation of microtubules, while lysosome contains a digestive enzyme that is used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. Which of the following is correct about phases of the cell cycle? Answer will be B. DNA replication takes place in S phase. Twisted estivation and exile plantation are found in. Answer will be A. China rose. China rose belongs to the family Malvaceae that has a superior ovary. The arrangement of sepals and petals is called estivation. In twisted estivation, the first petals overlap the next petals and so on. Along with the monodelphous condition is found in China rose, in which filaments are fused to form a single bundle. Axial placentation is found in China rose, in which there is a septum present and ovules are present at the center. Which of the following statements is incorrect? यहाँ पे जो इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे सी होगा। मैच्योर सीव ट्यूब एलिमेंट lacks peripheral cytoplasm, a large vacuole and a prominent nucleus. This is incorrect statement। और बाकी ए बी और डी हैं वो हमारे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स हैं। इन द डाइकोट रूट द vascular cambium is completely secondary in origin. Wood is the common name used for secondary xylem, or lenticels are the aerating pores present in the bark of plants and are associated with gaseous exchange. Okay, a mature sieve element possesses a peripheral cytoplasm and a large vacuole but lacks a nucleus. The functions of sieve tubes are controlled by the nucleus of companion cells. A process that makes important difference between C3 and C4 plants is. Answer will be D. Photorespiration. C4 plants are special. They have a special type of leaf anatomy. They tolerate higher temperatures. They show a response to high light intensities. They lack a process called photorespiration and have greater productivity of biomass. Photorespiration is absent in C4 plants. Photorespiration does not produce energy or reducing power, rather it consumes energy. Further, it undoes the work of photosynthesis. There is a 25% loss of fixed CO2. Therefore, photorespiration is a highly wasteful process. This happens only in case of C3 plants. Consider the following statements with respect to respiration. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है ग्लाइकोलाइसिस अकर्स इन द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ द सेल्स। सेकेंड यहाँ पे है एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन टेक्स प्लेस विद इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है द इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम इज प्रेजेंट इन द आउटर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन। और फोर यहाँ पे C51H98O6 इज द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ ट्राईपाल्मेटीन अ फैटी एसिड। और फिफ्थ यहाँ पे रेस्पिरेटरी क्वोशेंट इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ O2 इवॉल्व बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ CO2 कंज्यूम। तो यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट होंगे यहाँ पे वो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड और फोर होंगे। बाकी थर्ड और फिफ्थ स्टेटमेंट वो गलत होंगे। रिस्पायरेटरी क्वेश्चन होता है CO2 इवॉल्व बाय O2 कंज्यूम्ड। ओके, only second and fifth options are incorrect because the electron transport system occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane and it is the final stage of aerobic respiration. Respiratory quotient is also known as RQ, which is determined through this formula, that is volume of carbon dioxide produced to the volume of oxygen consumed. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल करके यहाँ पे रीड कर लेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है व्हीट, बार्ली एंड राई हैव टू काइंड्स ऑफ वेराइटीज, विंटर एंड स्प्रिंग वेराइटीज। द स्प्रिंग वेराइटी इज नॉर्मली प्लांटेड इन अ स्प्रिंग and come to flower and produce grain before the end of growing season. सेकंड यहाँ पे कह रहा है विंटर वेराइटीज however if planted in spring would normally fail to flower or produce mature grain within a span of the flowering season. और यहाँ पे थर्ड है hence winter varieties are planted in autumn, they germinate and over winter come out as a small seedling, resume growth in the spring and are harvested usually around midsummer. Some important food plants, wheat, barley, rye have two kinds of varieties, winter and spring varieties. The spring variety are normally planted in the spring and come to flower and produce grain before the end of growing season. Winter varieties, however, if planted in spring, would normally fail to flower or produce mature grain within a span of a flowering season. Hence, they are planted in autumn. They germinate and over winter come out as small seedlings, resume growth in the spring and are harvested usually around midsummer. Okay, which of the following is a correct statement? Okay, तो आंसर यहाँ पे होगा C, RNAi takes place in all eukaryotic organisms as method of cellular defense. The BT in BT cotton stands for Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a soil bacterium. Somatic hybridization is a process in which the protoplast of the two different plant species fuse to form hybrids. Enhanced nutritional value of food, example golden rice, that is vitamin A enriched rice. Most resistant stage in the life cycle of angiosperm is its answer will be B, seed stage. यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे। अ मैरिज बिटवीन अ कलर ब्लाइंड मैन एंड होमोजाइगस नॉर्मल वोमेन प्रोड्यूसेस, आंसर विल बी ए, ऑल कैरियर डॉटर एंड नॉर्मल सन्स। ट्रांसक्रिप्शन refers to, answer will be A, transfer of genetic information of DNA in the form of genetic codon of mRNA. A small fish gets stuck near the bottom of the shark and derives its nutrition from it. This kind of association is called, answer will be B, commensalism. Sacred groups are especially useful in, answer D, conserving rare and threatened species. यहाँ मैच द कॉलम है तो आंसर यहाँ पे ये होगा। ए का 4 यानी GESC का होगा वैलिडिटी ऑफ GM रिसर्च। बी का थर्ड PCR इन विट्रो DNA सिंथेसिस। सी का 1 यानी इंसुलिन का होगा, एली लेली कंपनी ने फॉर्म किया था। और एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस जीन का होगा सेकेंड हर्बर्ट बॉयर जो है उनके द्वारा डिस्कवर किया गया था। ओके, read the given statements that describe an infectious particle. First, it was discovered by Theo Diner and was found to be smaller than viruses. Second, it causes potato spindle tuber disease. It is a free RNA particle which lacks the protein coat. It has low molecular weight RNA as genetic material. Which of the following organism is characterized by the above characteristics? Answer will be B, varroid. Mesozoom helps in all the following process except, आंसर will be B synthesis and secretion of carbohydrates। ये जो क्वेश्चन हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है। स्पेशल मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर इज मेसोजोम which is formed by the extension of plasma membrane into the cell. These extensions are in the form of vesicles, tubules, and lamellae. They help in cell wall formation, DNA replication, and distribution to daughter cells. They also help in respiration secretion process to increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and enzymatic content। यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है, फिल करके यहाँ पे रीड कर लेंगे। इन सम प्लांट्स लाइक banyan, maize, sweet potato, roots arise from parts of the plant other than the part developed through radicle. Roots that arise from parts of the plant other than radicle are called adventitious roots. For example, in banyan, prop roots are found that grow vertically downward into the soil and spreading branches. Adventitious roots of sweet potato get swollen and store food. The stems of maize and sugar can have supporting roots coming out of the lower nodes of the stem. These are called stilt roots। Which one of the following is a true fruit? आंसर विल बी डी, नन ऑफ द, यानी जो तीनों हैं हमारे फॉल्स फ्रूट हैं। The fruit is a mature or ripened ovary. When a fruit develops exclusively from the ovary, it is said to be true fruit. Example, coconut, mango. When in addition the ovary to the ovary, some other floral parts also participates in the formation of fruits, then it is known as false fruit. Apple, pear, cashew nut, mulberry, etc. are all false fruits। एक क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीटेड है क्वेश्चन। यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल रीड कर लेंगे। 7 पेयर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ट्रेड्स वेयर स्टडीड बाय मेंडल इन पी प्लांट। जॉन मेंडल जोहान मेंडल, considered as the father of genetics, gave the observation and theory of inheritance of characteristics. He made the basis of his conclusions on experiments conducted on Pisum sativum. In the plant, he had considered 7 characteristics: seed shape, seed color, pod color, stem height or flower color and flower position। ओके, तो ये सारे थे बायो के क्वेश्चन 1 to 90। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए व्यूअर्स हैं इस चैनल पे तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, क्योंकि ऐसे सारे वीडियो आते रहेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के। अब आते हैं केमिस्ट्री में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यहाँ पे कह रहा है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंटेन्स सेम नंबर ऑफ एटम्स एज 20 ग्राम ऑफ कैल्शियम। आंसर विल बी 8 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम्स। Which of the following does not have coordinate bonds? Answer will be A, CO3 2 minus। Sodium ethoxide has reacted with ethanol chloride. The compound that is produced in this reaction is, answer will be uh, D, ethyl ethanoate। The mass number of atom whose nucleus has a radius of 5.6 Fermi are not equal to 1.4 into 10 to the power 23 centimeter each. Answer will be D, 64। Which of the following compound on heating does not produce metal oxide? Answer will be C, K2CO3। Which among the following is not an exact differential? Answer will be A, Q, dq equal to heat absorbed। Which of the following plot is correct about the kinetic energy of photoelectrons? Answer will be A। kinetic energy और intensity of incident radiation में यहाँ पे linear relationship होगा। ओके, कांस्टेंट होते हैं काइनेटिक एनर्जी। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन CH3CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 in presence of Br2 and NaCl. Product of the reaction will be, answer will be D, mixture of 1,2 dibromopropane and 1 bromo 2 chloropropane। Which of the following combination does not evolve Cl2 gas? Answer will be C, HCl plus I2। Most acidic hydrogen is present in, answer will be C, CH3CO whole thrice and CH। Consider the following reaction: M plus O2 gives MO2, M alkali metal or stable superoxide. Answer will be A. M cannot be Li and Na. Two isomeric compounds Cl CH2 CH2 CH2Cl and CH3 CH2 CHCl2 can be distinguished by the use of. Answer will be DHOH OH minus tolerance reagent and steric ammonium nitrate. Which compound will liberate oxygen when reacts with ice cold water? Answer will be BKO2. Which metal is protected by layer of its own oxide? Answer will be B. Aluminium. The pKb value of ammonium hydroxide is 4.75. An aqueous solution of ammonium hydroxide is titrated with HCl. The pH of the solution at the point where half of the ammonium hydroxide has been neutralized will be. Answer will be A. 9.25. In the given reaction CH3 CHO CH2 in presence of CH3 MgBr or HOH or H plus, X will be. Answer will be B. CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट फॉर टू complexes are A यहाँ पे K4 FeCN6 2.6 10 to the power 37 for dissociation और B यहाँ पे K3 FeCN6 1.9 10 to the power 17 for dissociation. आंसर यहाँ पे होगा C. B is more stable than A. An incorrect statement with respect to SN1 and SN2 mechanism for alkyl halide is. Answer will be B. Competing reaction for SN2 reaction is rearrangement. Which of the following metals can be extracted by smelting? Answer will be C. Iron. A compound contains three elements A, B and C. If the oxidation of A equal to +2, B equal to +5 and C equal to -2, the possible formula of the compound is. Answer will be BA3BC4 whole twice. Which one of the following is an Z isomer? Answer will be A. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer will be A. When Z is more than 1, real gases are difficult to compress. The coordination number of the Ba2 plus ions is barium fluoride is 8. The coordination number of the fluoride ion is. Answer will be B4. If 6.84% solution of cane sugar molecular weight 342 is acetonic with 1.52% solution of thiocarbonate, then the molecular weight of thiocarbonate is. Answer will be C. 76. In the given reaction A plus B in presence of NaOH and 5 degrees Celsius, CH3 CHOH CH CHO CH3, A and B will respectively be. Answer will be B. CH3 CHO and CH3 CH2 CHO. In the reaction sequence CH3 CH2 COOH H2O2 in gives X and heating X gives Y. Y will be. Answer will be B. CH2 double bond CH single bond C double OH. Volume of 0.1 mK2 Cr2O7 required to oxidize 35 ml of 0.5 m FeSO4 solution is. Answer will be A. 29.2 ml. In the reaction sequence C6H5CH3 the presence of Cl2 and H gives X and X on reaction with HOH and NaOH gives Y. X and Y will respectively be. Answer will be D. C6H5CCl3 and C6H5COONA. The ratio of the value of any colligative property of for K4FeCN6 to that of Fe4FeCN6 whole thrice solution is nearly. Answer will be B. 0.71. Which among the following reagents can be used for the test for carbonyl group in laboratory? Answer will be D24 DNPH. If the ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy of an element are 275 and 86 kilocalorie per mole respectively, then the electronegativity of the element on the Pauling scale is. Answer will be A. 2.8. In the given polypeptide, arginine, tryptophan, isoleucine, ASN or glycine, C terminus amino acid is. Answer will be A, glycine. 0.73 gram of organic compound on oxidation gave 1.32 gram of carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon in the given compound will be. Answer will be A, 49.32. The equation of Langmuir adsorption isotherm under high pressure is. Answer will be A, X by M equal to A by B. Which of the following oxo acid contains more than one SS bonds? Answer will be C, polythionic thionic acid. Intermediate product of hydrolysis of cyanide is. Answer will be BrCONH2. Which of the following solutions has maximum freezing point depression at equimolar concentration? Answer will be A, COH2 whole 6 Cl3. In the following reaction, HCO3 minus plus H2O gives CO3 2 minus plus H3O plus. Which two substances are Bronsted base? Answer will be D, CO3 2 minus and H2O. For a chemical reaction, M1A plus M2B gives N1C plus N2D. The ratio of rate of disappearance of A to that of appearance of C is. Answer will be D, M1 by N1. Which of the following is correct order for sigma bond strength? आंसर विल बी सबसे ज़्यादा थर्ड हो गया यानी 3s और 3s, देन सेकेंड यानी 2s और 2p, उसके बाद फर्स्ट यानी 2s और 2s, और सबसे कम होगा 4 यानी यहाँ पे फिर से देखते हैं, यहाँ पे गलत हो गया है, यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा थर्ड होगा यानी कि 2p और 2p सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ होगा सिग्मा बॉन्ड के, उसके बाद सेकेंड यानी 2s और 2p, देन फर्स्ट यानी 2s और 2s, उसके बाद 4 यानी 3s और 3s. What is the shape of the IBr2 minus ion? Answer will be A, linear. Two different first order reactions have rate constant K1 and K2 at T1. K1 is more than K2. If temperature is increased from T1 to T2, then new constant becomes K3 and K4 respectively. Which among the following relations is correct? Answer will be B, K3 is greater than K1 and K4 is greater than K2. What is not applicable to ozone? Answer will be uh, uh, B. It has 4 lone pairs of electrons in one of its Lewis formula. बाकी A, C और D है वो applicable है. It is a bent molecule with bond angle approximately 117 degree. The two oxygen bond lengths are equal, or it is an allotrope of oxygen. यहाँ मैच द कॉलम है, लिस्ट 1 और लिस्ट 2 को मैच करना है, कैलोमेल, ग्लास, हाइड्रोजन और क्वीन हाइड्रोन. तो फर्स्ट का यहाँ पे P होगा यानी कैलोमेल का रिफरेंस, सेकेंड का R यानी ग्लास जो है वो हो गए मेम्ब्रेन, 3 का S यानी हाइड्रोजन का गैस, और क्वीन हाइड्रोन का होगा Q यानी रेडॉक्स. कैलोमेल रेफरेंस, ग्लास मेम्ब्रेन, हाइड्रोजन गैस और क्वीन हाइड्रोन रेडॉक्स. Which of the following combination does not liberate NH3 gas? Answer will be A, heating of NH4ClO4. ओके, ये सारे थे हमारे केमिस्ट्री और बायो क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. यहाँ पे आते हैं फिजिक्स में. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ पे फिजिक्स में है, द लार्जेस्ट वेवलेंथ इन द अल्ट्रावायलेट रीजन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज 122 nanometer. The smallest wavelength in the infrared region of the hydrogen spectrum to the nearest integer is. Answer will be B, 823 nanometer. If the electron in the hydrogen atom jumps from the third orbit to the second orbit, the wavelength of the emitted radiation in term of Rydberg constant is. Answer will be B, 36 by 5R. If a force is applied to a Elastic wire of the material of Poisson's ratio 0.2, there is a decrease of the cross-sectional area by 1%. The percentage increase in its length is, answer will be C 2.5%. A mass 3m initially at rest at the origin explodes into three fragments of equal mass. Two of the fragments have speed v each and move perpendicular to each other. The third fragment will move with a speed. Answer will be dv by under root 2. An object of mass 10 kg is attached to roof by string whirled around a horizontal circle of radius 4 meter and inclined 30 degree to the vertical. The tension in the string approximately is, answer will be C 114 Newton. Two long straight conductors AOB and COD are perpendicular to each other and carry currents I1 and I2. The magnitude of the magnetic induction at a point P at a distance A from the point O in a direction perpendicular to the plane ABCD is. Answer will be C mu naught by 2 pi A under root I1 square plus I2 square. The length of a given cylindrical wire is increased by 100% due to the consequent decrease in diameter. The change in the resistance of the wire will be, answer will be D 300%. A millivoltmeter of a 25 millivolt range is to be converted into an ammeter of 25 ampere range. The value in ohm of necessary shunt will be, answer will be A 0.001. Two identical charges of value q each are placed at minus a and 0 and a and 0. The coordinates of the points where the net electric field is 0 and maximum are respectively. Answer will be C 0 0 and 0 1 a by root 2. A charge q is distributed uniformly on a ring of radius r. A sphere of equal radius r is constructed with its center at the periphery of the ring. The electric flux through the surface of the sphere is. Answer will be dq by 3 epsilon naught. A 0.5 meter long metal rod PQ completes the circuit as shown in the figure. The area of the circuit is perpendicular to the magnetic field of flux density 0.15 Tesla. If the resistance of the total circuit is 3 ohm, calculate the force needed to move the rod in the direction as indicated with a constant speed of 2 meter per second. Answer will be B 3.75 millinewton. In a series LCR circuit, the RMS voltage across the inductance, capacitance, and resistance are respectively 4 volt, 8 volt, and 5 volt. The RMS voltage of the AC source in the circuit is, answer will be D 6.4 volt. A particle is projected vertically with speed v from the surface of the earth. Maximum height attained by the particle in terms of the radius of earth r, v and g each. V is less than escape velocity, g is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Answer will be C rv square by 2g capital R minus v square. Variation of acceleration due to gravity g with distance x from the center of the earth is best represented by r radius of the earth. Answer will be D. रिपीट क्वेश्चन है, नीट में भी क्वेश्चन आ चुका है बहुत बार. The temperature across two different slabs A and B are of the same length and same cross sectional area are at steady state as shown in the diagram. The ratio of thermal conductivity of A and B is, answer will be B 3 is to 2. An ideal gas is expanding such that Pt square equal to constant. The coefficient of volume expansion of the gas is, answer will be C 3 by capital T. The relation between internal energy U, pressure P and volume V of gas in an adiabatic process is E equal to A plus BPV, where A and B are constants. What is the effective value of adiabatic constant gamma? Answer will be B plus 1 by small b. A proton, a deuteron, and an alpha particle are projected perpendicular to the direction of a uniform magnetic field with the same kinetic energies. The ratio of the radii of the circular paths described by them each. Answer will be A, 1 is to under root 2 is to 1. Electric charge Q is uniformly distributed over a rod of length L. The rod is placed parallel to a long wire carrying a current I. The separation between the rod and the wire is A. Find the force needed to move the rod along its length with a uniform velocity V. Answer will be A, mu naught I Q V by 2 pi A. An object moving with a speed of 6.25 meter per second is decelerated at a rate given by dv by dt equal to minus 2.5 under root v, where v is the instantaneous speed. The time taken by the object to come to rest would be. Answer will be A, 2 seconds. A body is thrown up with a speed u at an angle of projection theta if the speed of the projectile becomes u by under root 2 on reaching the maximum height, then the maximum vertical height attained by the projectile is. Answer will be A, u square by 4g. A block of mass m is placed on a smooth wedge of inclination theta. The whole system is accelerated horizontally so that the block does not slip on the wedge. The force exerted by the wedge on the block g is acceleration due to gravity will be. Answer will be A, mg by cos theta. A pendulum bob of mass 50 gram is suspended from the ceiling of an elevator. The tension in the string if the elevator goes up with uniform velocity is approximately. Answer will be D, 0.50 Newton. When lithium 73 nuclei are bombarded by protons and the resultant nuclei are beryllium 84, the emitted particles will be. Answer will be C, gamma photons. In a photoelectric experiment, if both the intensity and frequency of the incident light are doubled, then the saturation photoelectric current is. Answer will be C, is doubled. The function sine square omega t represents. Answer will be D, a periodic but not simple harmonic motion with a period pi by omega. A particle executing a simple harmonic motion has a period of 6 seconds. The time taken by the particle to move from the mean position to the half the amplitude starting from the mean position is. Answer will be C, 1 by 2 seconds. A metal surface of work function 1.07 electron volt is irradiated with light of wavelength 332 nanometer. The retarding potential required to stop the escape of photoelectrons is. Answer will be B, 2.66 electron volt. When radiation is incident on a photoelectron emitter, the stopping potential is found to be 9 volt if E by M for the electron is 1.8 into 10 to the power 11 uh, per coulomb per kg. The maximum velocity of ejected electrons is. Answer will be D, 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. The length of elastic string obeying Hooke's law is L1 meters when the tension 4 Newton and L2 meters when the tension is 5 Newton. The length in meters when the tension is 9 Newton is. Answer will be B, 5L2 minus 4L1. Typical silt hard mud particle of radius 20 micrometer is on the top of lake water. Its density is 2000 kg per meter cube and the viscosity of lake water is 1 millipascal. Density is 1000 kg per meter cube. If the lake is still, has no internal fluid motion, the terminal speed with which the particle hits the bottom of the lake is millimeter per second. Answer will be C, 0.87. A point source of light is kept at a distance of 15 cm from a converging lens on its optical axis. The focal length of lens is 10 cm and its diameter is 3 cm. A screen is placed on the other side of the lens perpendicular to the axis of the lens at a distance 20 centimeter from it. Then find the area of the illuminated part of the screen. Answer will be A, pi by 4 centimeter square. The refractive index for a prism is given as mu equal to cot A by 2. Then the angle of minimum deviation in terms of angle of prism is. Answer will be D, 180 degree minus 2A. Three equal masses M are rigidly connected to each other by massless rods of length L, forming an equilateral triangle as shown above. The assembly is to be given an angular velocity omega about an axis perpendicular to the triangle for fixed omega. What is the ratio of the kinetic energy of the assembly for the axis through B to an axis through A? Answer will be B, 2 is to 1. A solid cylinder of mass 20 kg rotates about its axis with the angular speed 100 radian per second. The radius of the cylinder is 0.25 meter. What is the magnitude of angular momentum of the cylinder about its axis? Answer will be A, 62.5 joules second. The input resistance of a common emitter amplifier is 330 ohm and the load resistance is 5 kilo ohm. A change of base current is 15 microampere results in the change of collector current 1 milliampere. The voltage gain of the amplifier is. Answer will be C, 1010. When the forward bias voltage of a diode is changed from 0.6 volt to 0.7 volt, the current changes from 5 milliampere to 15 milliampere. Then its forward bias resistance is. Answer will be C, 10 ohm. The coefficient of apparent expansion of mercury in a glass vessel is 153 into 10 to the power minus 6 per centigrade, and a steel vessel is 144 into 10 to the power minus 6 per centigrade. If linear expansion coefficient alpha for steel is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 per centigrade, then that of glass is. Answer will be A, 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 per centigrade. If a particular system in a particular system the unit of length, mass and time are chosen to be 10 centimeter, 10 gram and 0.1 second respectively, the unit of force in this system will be equivalent to. Answer will be A, 1 by 10 Newton. Two light waves having the same wavelength in vacuum are in phase initially. Then the first ray travels a path L1 through a medium of refractive index mu1, while the second ray travels a path L2 through a medium of refractive index mu2. The two waves are then combined to observe interference. The phase difference between the two waves is. Answer will be D, 2 pi by lambda into mu1 L1 minus mu2 L2. In Young's double slit experiment, the two slits are illuminated by the light of wavelength 5890 angstrom, and the angular distance between fringes obtained on the screen is 0.2 degree. If the whole apparatus is immersed in water, then the angular fringe width will be the refracting index of water 4 by 3. Answer will be B, 0.15 degree. The equation of a simple harmonic wave is given by y equal to 6 sine 2 pi into 2t minus 0.1 x, where x and y are in millimeter and t is in second. The phase difference between two particles 2 millimeter apart at any instant is. Answer will be D, 72 degree. It takes 2 seconds for sound waves to travel between two fixed points when the day temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. If the temperature rises to 30 degrees Celsius, the sound wave travels between the same fixed parts in. Answer will be A, 1.9 second. Two bodies of masses m1 and m2 are infinitely at rest at an infinite distance apart. They are then allowed to move towards each other under mutual gravitational attraction. The relative velocity of approach at separation r between them is. Answer will be A, 2g m1 m2 by r to the power 1 by 2. लास्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा फिजिक्स का है और वीडियो का भी, इसमें कह रहा है अ बॉल इज रिलीज फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ अ टावर, द रेशियो ऑफ वर्क डन बाय द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी इन फर्स्ट सेकेंड सेकेंड एंड थर्ड सेकेंड of the motion of the ball is? आंसर विल बी सी 1:3:5। ओके, तो ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए व्यूअर्स से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना चैनल को, क्योंकि ऐसे सारे वीडियो आते रहेंगे। ओके, और जिन्हें भी एन टी ए मॉक टेस्ट के पीडीएफ चाहिए वो हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे।